What's going on, everybody? So in this video we're going to discuss two things. One is a money back guarantee, and this includes every credit repair company that offers a money back guarantee follows these exact guidelines to a T. And the second thing we're going to talk about is if you hire a credit repair company, you do not need to be disputing while they're disputing to try to speed up the results because you think you're smarter than everybody. Now that's a story for another day. Please don't take nothing I say the wrong way. Okay, so the way a money back guarantee works with credit repair is if they get something deleted, removed, or updated, then they have fulfilled their money back guarantee. Now that could be a charge off, collection, bankruptcy, repo, student loans, child support. It could even be just an inquiry. It could even be just a name. It could even be just a address that's deleted. As long as they get something deleted, they fulfilled the money back guarantee. I know nobody wants to hear that. I understand that. But where Everything Credit LLC outshines everybody is if you make it to that 6th month mark and you've only gotten a name deleted or an address or one inquiry, we're going to turn your billing off and we're going to work absolutely for free until we get you more results. None of these other companies are going to do that. Lexington Law is not going to do that. Any of these other shady credit repair companies, they're not going to do that. And they don't have to do that because they have technically fulfilled their money back guarantee. Whether you want to hear it or not, I'm here to tell you the truth about how this works. This is how I do it. This is how all other companies do it. But again, we will turn your billing off and we will work absolutely free until we get you better results than just one inquiry or one variation of your name or address deleted. Now, the second thing, if you hire somebody to fix your credit or to work on your credit on your behalf, do not send in disputes via mail, do not dispute online, and do not call the bureaus, and do not tell said credit repair company, don't mail anything to Equifax because I've already sent them something. I know a lot of you don't realize it, but when you do that, you've already breached the contract. You've already breached the whole contract. You shouldn't hire an expert to work on your credit if you think you know more than they do. That just makes absolutely no sense. I don't care what it is you do. Maybe you're an engineer. It doesn't make you smarter than me. It may make you smarter than me when it comes to engineering stuff. Yeah, okay. But the point is, don't hire somebody to work on your credit on your behalf and then mess that up by mailing in disputes or by calling the bureaus. Because when you call the bureaus, guess what they're going to tell you? They're ignoring the disputes that I'm mailing. Do you know why they're ignoring them? Because you're calling them and talking to them. So it's going to be considered frivolous because you're doing stuff over the phone and I'm mailing stuff in. Y'all are making this way more complicated than it has to be. If you hire a company, let them do the work, sit back, relax, conversate with them. Of course, you want to talk to them, you want to see what's going on. But just know that with any company that offers a money back guarantee, if they get one item deleted, technically they're covered. If you try to sue them or whatever, they're covered. You signed agreeing that if they got that one deletion, you don't get a refund. But just remember, we keep working for free because we care. It's not always about the money, but it is always about the consumer, our clients. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all had a great, happy Easter Sunday.